Hey, we're back again and doing some more solubility chemistry. And today we're going to talk about what is hard water. So, hard water is when you have a relatively high amount of calcium and or magnesium ions in the water. Now, a lot of calcium and magnesium in the water can have some negative effects. One, it makes the water taste a little funny. It makes it taste quite a bit bitter. High amounts of calcium and magnesium can also build up and block pipes, like shower heads and faucets and stuff like that. And also, hard water can also combine with soaps in the water and kind of prevent soaps from doing their job, which is like removing oils and stuff like that. So hard water isn't a really desirable thing. So what can we do to get rid of hard water? Well, one thing that can be done is adding carbonate ions. So you can add sodium carbonate, which will remove some of these ions. Now, the sodium won't do anything. The sodium is going to be a spectator ion. So this one will be a spectator, and therefore won't be taking place in any of the reactions. And so the carbonate will combine with calcium to make calcium carbonate, which has low solubility, or it can combine with magnesium, which make magnesium carbonate, which also has low solubility. So that will help remove high amounts of calcium or magnesium from the water. Now, there's another thing that's in water. Sometimes we can have things called temporary hard water, and temporary hard water is when you have when the water contains some HCO3 minus. Now, what that does is when you have calcium or magnesium and it's in solution, and in the water with it is HCO3 minus, a chemical reaction can occur where if the water is heated up, you can have Ca2 plus combine with the HCO3 minus, and that'll form again calcium carbonate, which is low solubility, or in other words, it's going to precipitate out. Okay, and kind of come out of the water a little bit. And you can see this in reactions. Like if you take some temporary hard water and it just looks like regular normal water, and if you start to boil it, you'll notice after a little bit that you'll have a white precipitate kind of on the bottom of your pot after you boil it for a little bit. And what that is after you boil it and then kind of cool it a little bit, and what that white precipitate is the calcium carbonate that has kind of come out, that has precipitated out. And so that's what hard water is, and this is one of the ways you can remove it, and this is one of the ways that it can kind of remove itself if heated. And yeah.